Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking fish escabeche. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have onion, garlic, carrots, ginger, red and green bell pepper, cornstarch, olive oil, vinegar, soy sauce, salt and pepper. We got pineapple juice and slices, and brown sugar. And of course, we have our big fish here that we fried already. It's cooked now. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna prepare the sauce, and we're gonna pour in the sauce when it's done. So let's get started. Now we are warming up the pan here. So let's put olive oil or vegetable oil, it's your choice. Okay. All right. Okay. Now we'll put our onions. We're gonna let the onion cook for a minute or so until it becomes tender. We'll add our ginger. We'll give it 2 minutes. Now let's put our garlic in. Give it a minute. Add our soy sauce. Let's put our vinegar. Give it a minute. Let's add our pineapple juice. Okay. Let's add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We give it a good stir so the sugar will dissolve evenly. All right. Let's put a little bit of salt. And some pepper, black pepper. All right. Give it a good stir. We will put our carrots. Mix it together. Okay. Let's add our reading red and green bell pepper. We'll give this a good 2 minutes, and we will pour this into our fish. Now we will make the sauce a little bit thicker, so we have to add our cornstarch. Okay, and we'll give it a good stir. And basically this is done. All right. Okay. Now we're gonna pour in the sauce. Okay. All right. There you go. There you go. It's beautiful. All right. There you go. This is our fish escabeche. Here's the finished product. Fish escabeche. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.